Hello dear friends, today 28 June 2024, my name is Sergey Khodichenko. Now I show what we manufacturing. This is for Typhoons Pro Ultra 20 kg per hour each, and this moulder and that moulder, one order for new client. This is two for USA, and one moulder need assembly. Our new client want 3 centimeters one roll. This is 28 knives, 50 kilogram with motor reductor, with shaft, weight 50 kilogram. Look, very heavy. How this work? Look how this work. If you want regulation, but big speed don't need. This is for cotton candy. We have little problem inside. This is broken. Look, this is broken. Now we welding this. This is neat. What's this? Okay, see you again. If you want prices example, or you have some questions, write to my WhatsApp under this video. See you again, bye bye.